Hi everyone, I'm Julia and welcome to Crocoblock channel. Today's video will be fully about one of the coolest and one of the most powerful plugins from Jet family, JetElements plugin. This helpful and quite extensive plugin contains the must-have basic widget set for Elementor that is perfect for enriching content with attractive elements. Why do I think that JetElements is definitely worth your attention? The plugin has 44 easy-to-use widgets for creating diverse types of content and displaying information in an original and convenient way on your website. But before we dive deep into the cool plugin features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get the notifications about our future videos and tutorials. Now let's take a look at the main settings of JetElements plugin and its awesome widgets. So you already installed JetElements plugin. To look through its settings, let's go to the dashboard, Jet Plugins, and open JetElements settings. Firstly, we can see that under the general settings, we have SVG images upload status to enable or disable SVG images uploading. Then use Jet templates to add Jet page templates and blocks to Elementor templates library. To show you how it works, I've already opened the page in Elementor. Now I will add a template. Under the category, we can see that there are so many blocks from different JetElements widgets. For example, this nice pricing table from Jet Pricing Table widget. But if you untoggle Use Jet Template, only default ones will be left. Editor Load Level. For your work, you may need several levels of style settings. We have 5 levels that will suit any requirements. Let's dive deeply into them. Each level offers the user a definite range of settings. It is important to remember that the lower the selected level, the fewer opportunities are available for you while editing. For instance, if you have chosen the None level, you will not have an opportunity to make some changes in the Style tab. Only the basic options will be allowed, such as the text and background color. The full level will provide you with a full range of opportunities to customize the box with a shadow, border radius, Z-index settings, etc. The levels that are in between widen the opportunities progressively. Integrations. Here you can find the settings to embed Google Maps, MailChimp, Instagram, or Weatherbit to your website page. If you want to increase the loading speed of Elementor Page Builder or solve the memory limit issue, you can disable some unused JetElements widgets under the Available Widget settings. And lastly, under the Available extensions, we have Section Parallax extension. All JetElements 44 widgets can be divided into categories. To organize the content, you can use custom post grid, banner widget, or Instagram feed for showcasing images, photographs, and creative portfolios in a beautiful way. There are widgets dedicated to visual effects such as animated flip box, animated text, interactive animated box, and section parallax if you're looking for something that will boost impressions of your website. For creating sections, there are widgets such as testimonials, pricing table, subscription form, or countdown timer. Button and download button, dropbar widget, and scroll navigation can be used for hiding, linking, and navigating content. It is easy to organize content and showcase numerical data with such widgets as pie chart, circle progress, or horizontal timeline. In case if you are building an online store based on WooCommerce, JetElements will provide you with the perfect widgets for better WooCommerce integration into Elementor, like WooCommerce products, top products, best sellers, sale products, featured products, and recent products widgets. Moreover, you can find more integration opportunities with JetElements such as advanced map, audio player, video player, and weather widget. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join our Facebook community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.